Unfortunately, they will, Janelle and Jim. We're going to be having a bit of a slow morning commute here as showers move through. It's not all that heavy, but it is going to mean you need your windshield wipers. It's slow going. It's a slow walk to the bus stop. You need the umbrella if you're heading out with the kids this morning, so plan accordingly. You don't need any of the rain gear by this afternoon, as this system will be in and out very quickly. And in fact, I think we see sunshine later on today. But here's a look at what we're seeing right now. We're going to put that radar imagery back on. I also want to turn on our current temperatures, and you can see how mild it is outside. Temperatures still near 50 degrees. We're at 49 in Wilmington, 52 degrees here in Philadelphia. It's 54 degrees in Millville right now, so it is mild. We're not talking any kind of frozen precipitation this time around, but through the next 6 hours or so, this rain that you see just starting to creep toward Lancaster County, that is going to be moving through the Philadelphia area. Likely by noon, we'll see this clear the coast and things do improve quickly. But here's a look at where it is right now. Again, you can see some steady rain across central Pennsylvania, down into parts of Maryland and Virginia. This is all moving east. The southern edge is weakening a little bit, but some heavier rain up across our northernmost zones here this morning. So a look at the next few hours. Again, 7 a.m. we've got some heavier downpours in the Lehigh Valley and the Poconos. Scattered showers 8, 9 o'clock around the city. And then look at this. By noon, it is clearing out already. So the afternoon, a much better time to hit the roads. The sun will be shining and temperatures right around the 60-degree mark today. But we've got another system with rain just in time for Thanksgiving, plus a huge cool down on the way. I'll have your full forecast in just a few minutes. Let's send it over to Kim Hudson versus the outdoor, because it is, you don't want to sit outside this morning. This afternoon, you may be able to get out for a bit. It's going to turn a little breezy, but the sun comes back and temperatures heading to near 60 degrees. The reason for that is we're already so warm to start the morning. Temperatures did not drop much last night thanks to the cloud cover. And so we're still in the 50s right now. It's still 52 in Philadelphia. Look at Atlantic City. It's 57 degrees right now, 55 in Millville and 50 degrees in Lancaster. South wind for now out ahead of an advancing front, and that is bringing rain to much of central Pennsylvania this morning and will get here within the next hour or so, especially off to the north and west, with between 7 and 9 looking like the target time in the city of Philadelphia. So you can see the rain starting to creep into Lancaster County already. We've got some steady rain just poised to move into Lehigh County and Berks County. And again, this will quickly traverse the region this morning. This is 7:30, snapshot of what we'll be looking at, and this is going to be slow for your morning commute. You can see right along the Turnpike, right along the Schuylkill Expressway, right along the Blue Route here and I-95. We've got some steady rain that then moves into our South Jersey suburbs. Route 30 getting hit hard here as we head into about 8 a.m. and then it moves down the shore by around 10. And then looks like this is going to taper quickly, and your evening commute is completely different. You need the windshield wipers for the morning, and then you will want the sunglasses for sun glare this evening. That's about it. So today's forecast, it's half and half. Morning showers clearing out by noon, and then the sun comes out. It will turn breezy, but it's going to be a warm day. We'll hit 60. Temperatures may drop off as that colder air comes in later on this afternoon. Tomorrow's going to slowly cloud up, but what I want to do is pull up our map here and take you through the timing on Thanksgiving Day. We're going to start this early Thursday morning, so let's pull up our indicator so you know where we're standing. Starting this at 2 a.m. on Thanksgiving Day, and here's what we're looking at. Here comes the rain. Bands of light rain to start this out, and then you can see the rain just keeps on coming. And what I want you to notice here, if you see Mount Pocono, notice the purples and the white shading there. That is some snow. There will be the chance for some accumulations in the highest elevations here. But again, for most of us, this is just going to be a cold rain, and it lasts right into 1 o'clock in the afternoon at least before tapering to some showers on Thanksgiving Day. So your forecast for Thanksgiving, it's not a very difficult forecast. It's just a band of steady rain that comes through starting early in the morning, continuing at least through midday. It may taper to showers. So if you can drive home a little bit later in the evening, but when at least the heavy falling rain has ended, that may be what you'd like to do. But Thanksgiving Day looks wet. If you can hunker down, stay inside. My son's trying to get me to run a 5K turkey trot Thanksgiving morning. Normally, maybe. On a day like Thursday, probably not what you want to be doing, getting soaked early in the morning, but more power to you if you do it. Let's take a look at the weekend, because we have issued a next weather alert already for this blast of cold, and you can see the jet stream will be diving southward, and look at this push of Arctic air, the coldest we have felt in a very long time. And even though we don't expect any snow or rain, we have issued next weather alerts for both Saturday and Sunday because we've got highs only in the 30s, overnight lows in the 20s for the first time in the city this season, and wind chills will make it feel not much better than freezing both Saturday and Sunday. And so for that reason, next weather alert, a lot of people out traveling, a lot of people out maybe doing some decorating for Christmas, and it is going to be bitterly cold, so you need to be alerted to that fact. So again, rain this morning, then it clears out. More rain for at least the first half of Thanksgiving Day. Friday's a transition day, a little bit cooler, but that blast of cold hits us for the weekend with highs only in the 30s Saturday and Sunday. Kim, I'll send it over.